Good morning, evening, and night, everybody. My name is Winterrey, and today we're going to be doing expeditions. What does that mean? It means there's going to be challenges that we have to do, and I figured I would start off with my favorite sled cat. The challenges essentially are kill nothing, just be a saint, get a chieftain, and then I can't remember the other one, but it's probably not going to be that hard. Ultimately, we kind of just have to survive and be nice.
I think you're really going to like this.
Hello, my friends!
Chieftain, friend, and saint. I think friend is taming a lizard, but I couldn't be too sure. Ah, well, that makes my job easy. I can, hey, maybe don't spit at my boy. Come along. How much food does it take? Yeah. How much food does it take to tame blue guys? Because that's the only food I got, to be honest. So if that doesn't work out, then I don't know. Then I'm not gonna be taming him. Hang on a second. I really don't usually like to do this, but I think I can save you, and that might give us some bonus. Nope, my classic throwing spears in the wrong direction strikes again, and I will not be saving you. Do centipedes while you're not dead? What? Leave it to me. Leave it to me to do that. Guys, did you know that I'm so good that I can miss a point-blank enemy? This game is just so peaceful when you're not playing Inv. Wild how that works. Now, I need to find something I can kill and give to lizards. Do the noodle things give any amount of love? Okay, watch this. I'm gonna go up here. Look, noodle thing. You don't want it? Then you don't get it. Or I'll be stuck. Can you? Okay, okay. Do you want it? You just ram me? Damn it. Got him. Got him. Surely this should be enough meat for the season, as long as I can find a lizard. Lizard. Yes. Hey, listen, I know you didn't want the fly, but surely you'd want this. Come back. Look it. We like that?
God damn, Jimmy. This some serious gourmet shit.
Do we like that? I'm gonna presume we like that. Now, are you hostile?
Oh, hi, Mark.
I can't tell when they're hostile or not. You want to follow me? Okay, well, that one's hostile. Hi. Okay, well, I presume this one's... I'm gonna presume this guy's tamed. But if you could deal with that guy, that'd be kind of nice. It's like, what is this? Are you mingling with one? He's like, yeah. Yeah, I am. That was an easy tame. Hi, buddy. Welcome to the team, Jim. First green guy. Let's try not to get horrifically attached, because I will cry. Alright, now I just gotta survive a little bit with Jim. And we're good. And then I gotta not kill anything hostile. And we're good. And then I gotta give stuff to scavs, which should be also easy peasy lemony squeezy. Get out of here. Get out. Ah. Okay. It grabbed me for a second there. I gotta wait. Does that count as being hostile to creatures? It does. Jim. Okay, look. Watch this idea. So Jim is here. I'm not gonna kill it, but Jim has free reign, unless it just does that. At least I get a squid. And Jim is my friend. Jim is my friend. Everything is good in the Jim land. Jim, I love you. Okay, we're fine. That please don't. Okay, I can still have them save me. I can still have them save me. I can still have them save me. Are you kidding me? I really don't have to redo that again. I really don't have to redo that again. Are you kidding me? Bite him? Bite me? Does the biting do nothing? Bite! Bite him! Oh my god, oh my god! Oh. Bite him! Bite! 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 Bite them! Bite one of them! Bite any of them before I go into a hole! Please! Please bite any of them! Scavenger! Scavengers! What am I doing? Where am I going? Oh, that's a hole. That's bad. That's a hole. Bite. Literally! If any... Help! Help me! Help me! Someone! Save me! No! Are you kidding me? What are you doing? Leave him be. I don't know if that did anything. Saved him, though. So, maybe that'll get me a little bit of favor. I have no idea how the AI in this game works. Yo, I just saved your bro. Want a pearl? It's blue. Yeah? Can I pass? I'm gonna... Yeah, okay. Cool, thanks. Okay, so I gave all of the pearls to the scavs there. You may notice Jim isn't with me. I left him behind. Not with the scavengers. I left him behind in a room while he was chowing down on something, just because I simply do not trust taking Jim around scavengers. I don't know where he went, but I know he's living a good life in the outskirts. So it was a happy time. Okay. Wanderer. Chieftain. Let's go. Okay, so I just need the one more, and that just requires eating bugs. Whoa. Okay, I don't know what... Tim? Tim! You're here! Oh, he followed me! Oh my god. It is a good day to be alive. It is a good day to be alive, chat. Quest complete! Music, emotional thread, demonic riser, and energy circuit. Let's go! And one last challenge. Do you think I'd really keep you hanging that much? No. I'm giving you a whole other expedition. That's gonna take if I did one expedition a thing. No. Okay. If I did one expedition a week, we'd get nowhere. We'd get nowhere. I have to give you two. That might shorten things up, but I mean, you're really not missing much. I'll just... Don't... What are you doing? What does that mean? No, don't... Okay. So I just can't have good things is what you're telling me. Are you... What did I hit? Go out. Alert them, please. Please tell me that kills it. Ow. That better have done something. Seriously? You're still alive? Oh, and there's a vulture that way. I'm not sure I have anything to... I have rocks. Damn it. Did you put... Stop, spider. Die. Okay, well, that's one out of the way. Okay. Oh, okay. What? Oh, okay. Come here. Come here. Okay. No, I don't want a rock. I want my spear. Oh, hi. Hi, Bluey. Why? Why am I so bad at this game? Okay. Oh, I can do this. I've done this before. I've done this before. I'm an idiot! Oh! Oh, God! Can I grab onto his doodad? Oh, God, he can still bite me, can't he? Oh, is he stuck? Please cough up the bomb, me. Ha. Oh, stop. I don't understand that. What is that? He ran away? What a bastard. And what is with this? What is with the poltergeist spear? Perfect. Perfect. I was getting my restock, and you're not dead. Okay. 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 Here we go. You need to get out of the way as I see that coming. Oh my God! Did you? Why did you do that? Oh, well, that's problematic for that guy. Oh. Please. What? No. Wait, that was a pole plant? Lamau? I didn't know you could bounce off of their skulls. Holy God. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come back here. Yeah. No. I need another one. I need another one. Where's my other spear? Huh. Okay. Okay. If I could let go! If I could let go, that'd be nice. You. What? What? Oh, that's an elite. That is a lot of guys, actually. Oh, that was a spear that just fell. Okay, they're here now? What? They can teleport? They're cheating? Is that a... I just realized. Yeah. I don't wanna... Oh. Well, that spear's done for. Oh, never mind. It's not done for. Yep. You like that? Do you like that? I want to know if you like it or not. Ooh, okay. Yep. Got that. Oh. Okay. 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 Nope. Can I please stop picking up the doot-doots? Please, pick... what are you doing, me? Oh, I have a spear. What do you... Just grab the spear for crying out loud. Hi. I don't... You know what? I'm not really sure what's going on. Oh. Sweet death is what's going on. Well, you're not exactly who I want. I want... Oh. I don't remember my spears exploding immediately like that, but okay. I remember climbing up this way and a blue lizard ate my face. Kind of scarred. Oh, this time it's a cyan. It's 2 cyans. Nope. Ugh. Okay. Okay. Oh, why me? Why me? Why me? Why me? Why me? I don't remember what I did to you. Seriously, what is a Vista point? I'm getting upset. No one's telling me. Oh, God. Okay. That's... Oh, hello, grapple worm. There's grapple worms in the Sky Islands? Oh. This is gonna take me longer than killing the vultures, isn't it? Because what is a Vista point? It's where you Vista your point, I guess. Oh, it's the jump that I can't make. Okay. Could it be in this area that I've never explored? Because I don't actually know why. There's a Vista point up here. Is there chips and salsa? A little gnome to congratulate me on my findings. This is the... Oh, hello! The worst part. I don't even know where I'm going. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Good, he just went invisible on the edge. That's nice of him. You feel the presence of a... Vista! Yes! What does that mean? What is the presence of a Vista? Is it that orange pearl? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry to get my orange pearl on. Give me that orange pearl. Hello? Hello? What's with the weight? Oh, is it the... Maybe it's the glowing thing. Winter? Yeah! Successfully hibernate. You kidding me? I have to... Okay. Well, this video has gone on long enough. I hope you have a great, fantabulous, excellent day. I hope you have a great, fantabulous, excellent evening. But if it's nighttime, Okay, actually, really quickly, I've been working on a side project. It's kind of stupid, but I'm just having fun with it, and I thought you guys might like to see that. So, here, before I end the video, there's this. I hope you have to kill 30 million vultures. Because you have to, because taxes or something. Haha. Good night.